Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two powerful graphics cards, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 EVO OC Edition and the PowerColor Red Devil AMD Radeon RX 907 OXT. We'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a gamer looking for the best performance or a casual user wanting efficiency, this comparison will cover all the bases. Let's get started. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 EVO OC Edition is designed for entry-level to mid-range gaming, primarily targeting 1080p resolutions with high refresh rates. It utilizes NVIDIA's DLSS 3 technology to enhance performance in demanding titles. In contrast, the PowerColor Red Devil AMD Radeon RX 907 OXT is a high-end graphics card aimed at gamers seeking exceptional performance at 1440p and even 4K resolutions. With its larger VRAM and wider memory bus, it excels in rendering high-fidelity graphics at higher resolutions. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS RTX 4060 EVO is priced at $339, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers looking to enjoy modern gaming without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the PowerColor RX 907 OXT comes in at a significantly higher price of $719. This price reflects its positioning as a high-performance card, but it may be a tough sell for those who primarily game at lower resolutions or do not require the extra power. The ASUS RTX 4060 is equipped with 8GB of GDDR6 memory, which is sufficient for most 1080p gaming scenarios. However, as games become more demanding and resolutions increase, this amount may become a limiting factor. In contrast, the PowerColor RX 907 OXT boasts a generous 16GB of GDDR6 memory, providing ample headroom for 4K gaming and future-proofing against high-resolution texture packs. This difference in VRAM capacity is a crucial consideration for gamers looking to invest in their systems long-term. In conclusion, both the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 EVO OC Edition and the PowerColor Red Devil AMD Radeon RX 907 OXT have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 4060 is an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers focused on 1080p performance, while the RX 907 OXT is a powerhouse for those seeking high-end performance at 1440p and 4K. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.